Welcome to part 2 of the series about shamisen parts and the names that you should know to know more. What? In the last video, I covered the 5 main parts of the shamisen. Today, we're diving into 6 smaller parts that are just as important for playing and taking care of your instrument. You'll often hear these names in lessons and tutorials, so it's good to get familiar with them. The word kawa refers to the skin that's scratched over the dough. It directly translates to skin. The material and tightness of the kawa have a huge impact on the instrument's sound and can make it sound more muted or more brilliant. The koma is the bridge of the shamisen. It sits directly on the skin and holds up the strings. Unlike a guitar or violin bridge, the koma is not fixed. You put it in before playing and take it out afterward to avoid stressing the skin. Its height, material, and shape all affect the tone and feel of the instrument. Many players use different koma depending on the music they're playing and the sound they want to achieve. At the very end of the instrument is the neo. It's a string holder tied from a long cord worked into this very beautiful and intricate knot. The 3 strings are tied to it and stretched from the head all the way across the body. It may look purely decorative, but it is an essential part of the instrument that can be easily swapped out to match your style and taste. The strings of the shamisen are called ito. There's 3 of them and they each have different thickness. Traditionally, they're made from silk, dyed with turmeric to repel insects. Nowadays, you can also get synthetic, middle and skinny strings that are more durable than the traditional kind. Each string has a different number. The thickest one is number 1, the middle one is number 2, and the skinny string is number 3. So in Japanese, they're simply called ichi no ito, ni no ito, and san no ito. First string, second string, third string. The bachi is the pick or plectrum to strike the strings and skin. It's pretty large and has a beautiful shape. Depending on the style you play, not only the size will vary, but more importantly, the bachi striking technique will change. Bachi can be made from plastic, wood, and other natural traditional materials. The doukake is the protective, beautiful cover that sits on the long upper edge of your dough. It protects the dough from your skin. Doukake come in countless different designs and colors, and it's a very easy way to add some personal flair to your instrument. Since there are different dough sizes, make sure that doukake will fit before you purchase one. If you have synthetic skins, you technically don't need a doukake, but it just looks really nice. It makes it look kind of complete. The Yubisuri is a knitted or crocheted finger sleeve that is worn over the thumb and index finger of your sao hand. It reduces friction when sliding along the neck and makes playing much smoother. Try playing with and without, and I'm sure you'll notice the difference right away. These smaller parts might not stand out at first, but they shape how the shamisen feels and responds when you play. Knowing their names makes following conversations and discussions much easier. If you'd like to download the full printable illustration with all part names labeled in Japanese and English, it's available for supporters on Patreon, link below. In the next video, we're going to have a look at some more specialized terms that come up in advanced discussions and in repair conversations. That's it for today. I hope it was revealing and interesting, and I'll see you next time.